In this video, we'll show you how to download and install the UPrint drivers on your Windows computer. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to miami.edu/uprint. Then, click on the orange Download Drivers button in the bottom right corner of the page. Next, scroll down and select the driver by clicking on the link according to your class enrollment and system type. Once the download is complete, click on the downloaded folder to open the installation files. Then double-click the file to launch the installer. You may be prompted with a Windows message asking you to authorize the install. Click on More Info and then Run Anyway. On the installation window, select Install and wait for the UPrint drivers to finish installing on your device. Once the installation is complete, click on Finish. To send a job to UPrint, ensure you are connected to the KNet wireless network and then open the Print menu. Select UPrint BW to print in black and white or UPrint Color to print in color. Then, click Print and wait for the pop-up. Enter your KN ID and password, and then give the print job a name. Then, click on Print. Your print job will now be sent to the UPrint server. Next, visit any UPrint printer on campus, swipe your KN card and print your selected print job. For additional support, please visit our website or contact the Student Technology Help Desk.